This is exercise 1.3 on the topic of matrices. Maths class 9. Let's move to question number 1. And this is giving a script to us. Let A and B to be 2 by 3 matrices, and let C and D to be 2 square matrices. So we have 4 matrices right now. Let A and B are 2 by 3 and C and D is square matrices 2 by 2. Then which thing is required? Which of the following operation are defined? The first question, which of the following operation can be done? Means that which of the following question can be solved when matrix A, B are 2 by 3 and C, D is 2 by 2 square matrix. We will check one by one right here. For those which define, give the dimension of the resulting matrices. After that, we will find such question we will give after dimension, mean rows and column. So let's move for question number 1. Let A and B is 2 by 3. I have a matrix A and that is 2 by 3. We have 2 rows and 3 columns. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have a matrix like this. There is 2, 2 by 3. Means 2 rows and 3 columns. Similarly, another matrix that is B. Okay, this is also 2 by 3. Means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Another matrix C and D is square 2 by 2. So let's draw it. C is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. And D is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. I write down simple numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Let's check the condition. The first one is A plus B. It is okay. A can be A with B. For example, A 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. 2 plus 2 will be equal to 4. 3 plus 3 will be equal to 6. 4 plus 4 will be equal to 8. Similarly, 5 plus 5 will be equal to 10. And at last 6 plus 6 will be equal to 12. The first question is solved right here now. And it is complicable for it. The dimension of addition will be 2 by 3. Mean 2 column and 2 rows and 3 column. This is the dimension of this. The second one is B plus D. B plus D. We will not add it because this is 2 by 2 and this is 3. This is 2 by 3. So there is the difference between the matrix B and matrix D and dimension. So we cannot add it. There is it. We can't solve it. Okay. I have done it right now. The third one is 2A minus 2C. So if I multiply 2 with A and add minus C means to minus the matrix of the C, so it's not complicated because this is 2 by 3 and this is 2 by 2. So this is not able that we will subtract matrix C from matrix A. Okay. 7C plus 2D. It is complicated because this is 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 2. Mean both C and D matrices have same dimension and we can add it in simple maths. Okay. Multiply 7 with matrix C plus matrix D with 2 and then add, you will get the result of the matrix. And the dimension of the matrix, remember it will be 2 by 2 because dimension will not change in addition. This is question number 2 and it is so easy about multiplication. The most easier question in this exercise is question number 2. You will see it in end. And let's move to solve the question number 2. If I have a matrix 1, 2, 3, multiply it with 2. So give a simple multiplication to it. Multiply this with this, and this with this. For example, 2, 4, and 6 will be the result. It is so easy. And the second question that a B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Multiply it with P. It is also easy, and the most easier question. Let me check. B is equal to, multiply P with A, PA, PB, PC, PD, PE, and PF. This is the most easier question. So, dear student, this is question number 3. And it's also a tricky question that a 4x is equal to 1 to 1, 4 to 3, minus 1, 9, and 7. What will be the value of x? So, we will divide 4 at both sides, and after that we will find out the value of x. It is easy, not that much difficult. Let's see. 4x divided by 4 is equal to 1 over 4, matrix 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, minus 1, 9, and 7. Now, divided each element by 4, we will get what? Like 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 1 over 4. Similarly, 4 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4, minus 1 over 4, 9 over 4, and 7 over 4. Let's move to next. 1 divided by 4 will be equal to 1 divided by 4. This will be equal to 1 divided by 2. This will be equal to 1 divided by 2. Similarly, it will be equal to 1, 1 divided by 2, 3 divided by 4, minus 1 divided by 4, 9 divided by 4, and 7 divided by 4. It is the result of the matrix. Question number 4. They are asking from us that find an equation that is 3a minus b when a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, b is equal to minus 3, minus 2, 1, minus 5, 4, and 3. First of all, we will multiply 3 with matrix A, then we will minus matrix B, and the final result will be shown right here. So move to it. That is 3a minus b is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Put sign of minus, and this will be minus 3, minus 2, 1, minus 5, 4, and 3. Let's multiply 3 with this matrix, and it will be equal to right here. Okay, 3 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 3. 3 multiplied with 2 will be equal to 6. 3 with 3, 9. 3 with 4, 12. 3 with 5, 15. And 3 with 6, 18. Okay, for this side right here, minus. Write the element of the minus 3, minus 2, 1, minus 5, 4, and 3. Okay, right. Minus matrix B with matrix A. Okay. Minus 3 will be positive, and it will be equal to 9. 6 minus 2 will be equal to 8 in simple words, because minus cross minus is equal to positive sign in addition. Okay. 9 minus 1 will be equal to 8. 12 minus 5 will be equal to 17. 15 minus 4 will be equal to 11. 18 minus 3 will be equal to 50. And this is the answer of 3a minus b. So dear student, this is question number 5 and it is a little bit tricky and difficult, but I solved in such a manner that you will not find any kind of issue while solving this question. So let's move to solve question number 5. They are asking from us if A matrix is equal to the and B matrix is equal to this. Then find matrix C if a condition is applied that A plus 2B is equal to C. So we will multiply 2 with B. After that we will add with matrix A and the result matrix will be equal to the value of C. So let's start it. A plus 2B equal to matrix A 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 and 1. Right here put the sign of positive and directly multiply 2 with matrix B. So 2 multiply with 3 is equal to 6. 2 multiply with minus 1 will be equal to minus 1. 2 multiply with 2 will be equal to 4. Right here. Similarly, 2 multiply with 4 equal to 8. 2 multiply with 2 will be equal to 4. And 2 multiply with 5 will be equal to 10. The last one is 2 multiply with 2 will be equal to 4. 2 multiply with 3 will be equal to 6. And 2 multiply with 0 will be equal to 0. Right here. So add matrix A and B. The result of the matrix will be C. Okay. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 plus minus 2 will be equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 4 will be equal to 1. 5 plus 8 will be equal to 13. 0 plus 4 will be equal to 4. 2 plus 10 will be equal to 12. Similarly, 1 plus 4 will be equal to 5. Minus 1 plus 6 will be equal to 5. And 1 plus 0 will be equal to 1. So this is the result of matrix C and this is the value of C matrix.